guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you how I organize my scents. I was actually just about to clean out my two drawers that have that house the scents for my house. So I kind of wanted to show you how I organize them all on those drawers. So what a better time to show you that than when I'm cleaning it. So come along. So this is where I store my scents, in these two drawers. So just to kind of show you what it looks like. It is a heavy drawer, so I want to kind of rearrange it a little bit so they're a bit more split up. So I'm gonna walk you through what's in each one. And for organization, I brought these up, but I'm not quite sure whether I'll actually use them. So over here I store some of my candles. This is the pineapple cilantro. These are more my summer candles. The Color Me Happy. What else do I have for summer? The Sun and Sand. And then all of my essential oils, which I store like this. I'm trying to get the best way to set up this camera, but so when I ordered my essential oils a few months back, they came in a box with this sponge thing that already had the pre-cut hole, so I just kind of placed that in here and then put the extra ones around it. And this little baggie I've had from my teenage years still, and it came from Evershare. Then I have my lemon oil. That's also from Amazon. A small lavender candle from Yankee Candle. My jojoba oil for when I make my essential oils roll-ons, so that doesn't necessarily have to be here. And then I have my little measuring water cup for my essential oil, what are they called? Evaporators, steamers, what are they called? I forget. And then I also have in here just some supplies for the roll-ons, which I also don't need to have here. A lid from the wax melter that I'm using. A lavender essential oil that I picked up in Europe on my trip. And then over here I have the Honolulu Sun from Bath and Body Works. And my Tahiti from Bath and Body Works. And then I have just Georgia Peach, which is one of my absolutely favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. And then I think these are my Christmas. So Merry Christmas from Yankee Candle. It is Vintage Berries. And then I have one of these nice candle holders, and in there I have warm vanilla sugar, which is, I got this one as a present, and it's okay. I'm not too crazy about sweet vanilla scents. Focus, 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 focus. And then I have the cinnamon and cloves. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so it's cinnamon and cloves bud from it is, where is this from? I thought it was Bath and Body Works, but it says white bean scented candle. I don't know. And then I also have the Evergreen Bath and Body Works candle for Christmas. So I think I'm pretty good. as far as Christmas candles go, then I have 2 of these, which I do think they're Christmas scents as well, because they kind of do smell, and an empty box. And then I also have this. It's a wax melt, and it is in the scent of Beach Club. So we do go to Disney quite a bit, and I love the way some of the resorts smell. And this is from Maple Whiskey Company. I'll link it down below. And it's a scent of Beach Club Resort. So there, that. And then I'm going to clean it up with just some microfiber cloth and water just to dust it. Okay, and now I'm gonna move on to my next one. And in here I have Juicy Citrus and Sea Salt candle. And then I just have all sorts of wax melts. So I have Autumn Wreath, Coconut Beach, Honey Crisp Apple Cider, Mango Peach Salsa, and this one is Sparkling Snow. Smells, I actually think this, I melted the beach, I put the Beach Club wax in here and I melted it. And then I have Pumpkin Spice and Forbidden Apple. So these are all my fall scents. And then for the summer scents, so these, the Mango Peach and the Coconut Beach aren't, but Cranberry Chutney and then Bubbly Pomegranate are from Yankee Candle. And what else do I have? I have 2 Beach Walks. That's for summer scent. Clean Cotton. That can be fall or summer. Then I have Strawberry Lemon. And then I also have Sicilian Lemon. Now I like using this one, especially if you're cooking something pretty stinky. That one's great. And then Sage and Citrus, which can be really for any season. And then the last one is Bahama Breeze, which is that coconut smell. I also have a cover because sometimes I use this dresser as a bar for setup when we have company, like a lot of people coming, a party. I put all the wine and glasses and things like that on there. So my point is that doesn't have to be in here. And then I also have these wax melts, which are Scent Sensational. I think they come from Walmart. And this one is in Daydream. Then I have extra wallflowers. So this is Bergamot Waters, and these are all Apkin apples that I stocked up for fall. Also have one of these plug-ins, wax melters that just plug into the electricity. And then this stuff doesn't need to be here, and not sure where this came from. So now I'm gonna organize it and I'll show you how I organized it. Okay, so I'm all done, and I had kind of separated it into seasons based on the heaviness that they really how heavy these drawers were. So in here I have summer and fall. No, I have spring and Christmas here. So there's my Yankee candles, which I separated them. For spring, I like more of fruity smells, like peach, and this one smells, it's so hard to explain what it smells like, but it's very fruity, but not too sweet because I'm not crazy about sweet smells. And then I have all my melts, and then all my Christmas candles, plus the Georgia peach over here, and my spring candle holders. And then over here I have my summer and fall and my essential oils in here. So this allows me to see, oh, my SD card filled up. So anyway, so this allows me to see all my scents and my candles, my oils, everything's here, so that way I can see if I'm running out of anything or not to over buy stuff that I don't need, because I already have lots. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. So until next time, have a wonderful day.